my super babies. Today I'm going to take you to a beautiful place to eat some nice desserts. About like 15 minutes from Ooty, and then I'm planning to take the Moonrise, but it's gloomy, so I'm not too sure, but I'm taking you along. We are going to Katy, that is on the way to Coonoor. It's about 15 minutes from Ooty. Guys, it's so beautiful, and it's more beautiful because of my camera. It's damn misty, guys. I don't think we're going to get any moonrise. We came here especially to get the full moon rise, but ऐसा कुछ होने नहीं वाला है क्योंकि बहुत ही मिस्टी है। येस्टरडे तो बहुत ही क्लियर स्काई था। अब मैं कुछ वीडियोस अभी डालती हूँ, अब देख लो कि कल मैंने एक मूनराइज शूट की थी और बहुत क्लियर स्काई था, सब तारे भी दिखे थे, पर आज बहुत ही मिस्टी है। I have no idea. हाँ
आएंगे राइट। We'll go down. Just check out now.
So we reached Culinarium, guys. Already parking. So we parked the car down, and then here is the restaurant, and here is the pony factory. Not the factory, craft store. I'll just take you along. So this is the pony craft store. So guys, this is open from 10 to 6 p.m. So now it's like 5:56 and they've closed it. So mom is just taking a look at it. I'll show you guys. You can see mommy. This place is really nice if you're into stitching, you know, especially knitting and crochet. Good. Please wear mask. Kindly maintain social distancing. Because there are many out here in Ooty I've seen, especially tourists, they're not wearing mask. Oh, first the entry was from here. Now the entry is from here. Guys, I ordered for one dessert here. They hardly have any desserts, which is very sad. What's the name of that? Raspberry? Rose and raspberry. Rose and raspberry. So guys, usually I come here, my favorite is Edelweiss. That's a nice pastry, but right now it's not there because of COVID. Hardly anyone comes here, but they have amazing desserts otherwise. So let's hawk something. The view is amazing, guys, with food. So let's try this. Though I'm not a raspberry nor rose lover, except my mother lover. It's nice. Taste rose and raspberry. Huh? Nice, no? It's nice and it's not very cold. Chocolatey. Actually, now the desserts out here are really good, but because of no staff and hardly any crowd here, they have discontinued many of their signature tasty pastries. And if you're coming to Ooty, I wish you try out this place, especially for their desserts, their macaroons, their ice creams. The food is okay. I wouldn't suggest or recommend anything in terms of their food, but their sweet dishes are superb. I came here especially to eat the Edelweiss, which is very tasty, but that's discontinued for the time being. So yeah, waiting for the moon rise. But huh? Will come out. So we are just waiting to see. Huh?
So put your head through this and look at that horizon. See, it's little bright, no? There.
Mummy, ऐसा तो bright.
Just like that you can't see.
Yeah, there. Ami, come here.
What?
How did you find the food?
Oh, it was little bland.
It was tasty. Quantity was good.
Quantity was good. It was tasty if you're hungry. Otherwise, it's I think quite bland.
Okay. Okay.
Don't put well fall.
So babies, now we just stopped at this place called Arvin for some ghee. I cannot eat food if there's no ghee. So we're about to close. We just thought we'll just pick it up. That is ghee. They have some sweets. Huh? Yeah. What? Ghee is nice now, Arvin.
Yeah,
Yeah, this one. I've eaten their ice creams in the past, even their milk sweet, I think, and some other sweets also, and it has been good. Oh, I shaved my hair today. It's become a mess, I guess. So, Mom we didn't get a good view of the moon yet because it's kind of misty, guys, here, and bad luck. It's here. Let's see on the way home now if we can get nothing like it. Very cold. Hey baby. So babies, just got a nice moon rise, but not rise like when the moon is going up. But yeah, I got a chance to click nice pictures.
At the full wooden houses.
It's 9:30, so I need to get rid of all my makeup. I did like a full-fledged makeup today. And get ready for my nighttime skincare routine and get on the bed to sleep. I sleep early here, babies, and I get up early. So yeah, I hope you liked today's vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit a like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit on the bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. और मैं कोशिश करूँगी कि I be consistent and show more places to you babies and show more and more and more.